Deep in a suburban living room, a power struggle is unfolding. A second antler lies mere inches away, untouched, available. But for the young Lucy, peace was never an option. She discards the surplus. She only wants his. The veteran Logan attempts to maintain possession, but Lucy's chaotic style technique is proving too much for the big brother. The stalemate had begun, a classic tug-of-war for the ages. Inch by inch, the tiny predator moves the mountain. Logan's patience is legendary, but is it enough? The sheer audacity. Logan contemplates his life choices while being dragged across the living room. Success. The heist is complete. Logan is left with nothing but his thoughts and a bruised ego. Our hero Logan, having lost the first battle, discovered a treasure, the second antler, a chance for peace. He retreats to the high ground of Mommy's couch. But Lucy, her radar for others' joy is unmatched. Behold, an abandoned antler, a perfectly good prize. Yet, to the chaotic Lucy, it is worthless if no one else wants it. She begins her psychological warfare, barking at the very thing she just threw away. A moment of clarity. Lucy returns to her own prize, attempting to settle for the original. She tests the quality. The crunch is adequate, the flavor familiar, but the psychological pull from the other couch is too strong. The chaos is observed from a distance by the matriarch, the princess lady. She's unimpressed. The grass, or in this case, the antler, is always tastier on the other side. The chaos gremliness cannot resist the lure of a stolen victory. She abandons her bounty once more, because in the mind of the chaos gremliness, it is only valuable if it belongs to someone else. The predator is on the move again. She scaled the dog stair summit for one final heist. A brutal display of sibling rivalry. Logan fights for his honor, but the Lucy energy is too strong. Victory. She had secured both antlers, but she soon realizes she only has one mouth, a tactical error. The gremliness attempts to claim the high ground of Mommy's couch, but the way is barred. The patientous Big Brothera stands his ground, a furry gatekeeper in the path of her destiny. The mission is aborted, and Lucy retreats to the safety of Daddy's couch. Logan, ever the opportunist, reclaims the discarded relic. The cycle begins anew. Lucy initiated a final pursuit. She wants it all. But she is about to cross a dangerous line. Logan seeks sanctuary in the shadow of the matriarch. Even Lucy knows, "You do not disturb, lady. The princess has seen enough." With the princesses Unmusidus departing the sanctuary, will the patientous Big Brotheros finally find peace, or will the Chaos Gremlinus continue the Antler War? In the wake of the Great Antler War, the princesses Unmusidus claims the spoils. This of not theft, it is a tax. But a trouble looms. The Chaos Gremlinus approaches. Princess Lady issues a low-frequency warning, a sound that chills the chaotic heart. Lucy calculates the risk. For the first time tonight, the math does not add up. The threat is neutralized. The princesses Unmusidus resumes her chew in silence. Peace has finally returned to Mommy's couch.